Alright, Labor Day weekend. We got the kayaks loaded up. Gonna head up to the Hood Canal and enjoy this beautiful day. We got blue skies. Gonna bring up some salmon that I brought back from Alaska, grill up some oysters, have us a good old time. My van is still in the shop. It's going on 3 weeks, so just trying to have some fun in the meantime. Alright, we're rolling in the old school Toyota. Josh is taking out to the canal house. We got Lindsay and Missy in the back. Kayaks up top. Cruising the highway here. We stopped at Wano State Park doing a little hike here. Little creek running through here. It's beautiful in here. The little state park campground here. Some nice sights right next to the creek. Not bad. Well, here we are at the Hood Canal. The tide is out, so we're gonna try to get some oysters here. Grill these up a little bit. See if we can find some. I have never really harvested oysters, so I have no idea how to tell what's what. There they are right there. So if they're closed, they're good generally?
Yeah, but what you really want to do is make sure that you get some that are closer to the water.
They haven't been dried out.
Been sitting in the sun too long. Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, we'll see.
The water's so clear. I got the right shoes on for it.
Yeah. That's a pretty big one.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, it depends on your taste. Some people people think they're gross and they don't want to try to shove that down their gullet, but you know, something a little smaller.
Wow, they're everywhere. Just free for the picking.
Yep. And there's clusters that we could bust open, bust apart, but
let's see if I can find some here. How clear the water is. That's a cluster. That's on a rock there. I'll leave that one. Try to find some singles.
That's pretty prime, you know.
Nice.
Not too big. Yeah, that's a good size.
That's another cluster. I want a single. How about something like that?
Yeah, for sure.
Nice.
Yeah, any size that you think you want to eat, that's prime there.
Yeah, right up here on the water line. Heck yeah! Oysters! There we go. Yeah, right up on this shoreline seems to be the place. Look at, they're everywhere. Load them up. Alright, first things first, come down and harvest some oysters before the tide comes in. Look at all those. Nice. We'll grill those up later.
Yeah.
Pretty sweet spot here. Start out with a little snack time here. I made up some guacamole. I believe this is clam dip. And what is this here?
Hummus.
Oh, hummus. Okay, give that a try. Life is good. Oh yeah. Look at that. They're starting to pop and learn about grilling oysters here. These guys are pros. All right, Lisa's got the technique here. She's cracking them open. Ooh, look at that.
It's a little baby.
Nice.
So
just leave them in half the shell.
Mm-hmm.
And these are the preferred toppings here. Scallion or green onion, cheese, and lemon.
Put some cheese on it. Some green onion. And then some lemon.
Oh yeah.
Perfection.
Woo! That was funny.
Josh, thank you.
Yeah.
We got Lisa who fixed them up for us. Aunt Sally, you gonna join us?
Sure.
Lindsay?
Hi.
We're all in.
Work for everybody.
Okay.
So what is an oyster toast?
I don't know. We're just gonna all eat them at the same time.
Been on it around her.
I don't drink anymore, so that's all I got. All right, here it is. Cheers.
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 Boosh, boosh, boosh.
Mmm, that is good.
Yeah.
That is good. They're hot. Aunt Sally's going in. How many years you been eating oysters up here at the canal?
Since 1962.
1962. That's going back. Nice.
Yeah.
Here's your grandpa.
Yep. Cheers to Grandpa. All right, here's our Alaskan salmon, the salmon I brought back from my job in Alaska. Lisa hooked us up, baked it for us on some cedar planks. Some nice looking potatoes and asparagus. It is time to dig in.